Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. So XRP is breaking out or has broken out to the upside, at least from a local pattern. XRP has not yet broken above the critical $2 mark on the long-term chart that we're tracking. This is going to be absolute critical resistance. Now again, it's not like a level that XRP can't get above, it just needs to do it, and that would mean that this yellow triangle pattern, which is still an option, will be invalidated. So as I said, the overall pattern isn't so important. What is more important is if the XRP price can break above $2, because if that's the case, it opens the door possibly to $5, maybe even $9.82 in an upside move in a fifth wave in blue. But we have to talk about that once we break above $2, because at the moment we're still holding below that critical resistance. And technically speaking, we're still in a range, which we can call an A, B, C, D, E pattern. If that E wave is already complete, then the wave count would be slightly different. A, B, C, no, 1 second. A, B, C, D, E. Yeah, it's possible as well. Talked about it. That's why an upside breakout is possible, which is why I am tracking the support region, right? Otherwise, I would say to you that a short trade would be a great opportunity, but I don't see a short trade setup here. I'm tracking higher prices against the support region, and this is of course quite far away. It's between $1.22 to 86 cents. So some might say, but that's far away. So, support is too far away to use it, whatever. Well, it gives you the most reliable support levels in my opinion, which means if we break below it, or these, especially the 85 cent level, 85, 86, it indicates the rally is likely over. However, that's why we're tracking the smaller time frame actually. And on the smaller time frame, we had a local setup, and actually we've been watching for this upside breakout, which is now materializing, while highlighting though that we're close to the $2 level. So you might recall in the last video, we talked about this A, B, C, D, E triangle, and also that the E wave of the triangle could be quite short. I showed you a target for that E wave, and I highlighted to you that, and I actually explained in yesterday's video what are the typical targets for an E wave of a triangle, right? You might recall I took you to our Discord server, I explained to you the structures, and I explained to you that one of the common targets that is regularly communicated for the E wave of a triangle is the 38.2 extension. It is still weak though, but that was at $1.42.3, which is the level that was pretty much reached late yesterday, and the price touched it. Came very, very close, at least. I mean, very close, not even half a cent different. So, this could be the E wave. That's why I communicated yesterday, and again on Discord. As a gold member, you get a lot of these updates in writing, additional updates when things happen. I mean, I don't need to post 3 times a day, nothing's changed. But the idea yesterday was that the price could be working on the E wave of the triangle pattern. Yeah, that was before the last video. I think a break above 153 would be a first signal for an upside breakout. The one afterwards was then the price is trying to break out from the triangle, and that was here. Okay, that was after that E wave was possibly completed. Price was at 154, and then there was even another update. Oops, here. And that the price is continuing to work obviously on the upside breakout, and yeah, it held support. It even reacted to Fibonacci micro support, which was something for pullback traders. Others might have traded their breakout. And the only thing is it's a very weak E wave. I'm not sure if you see that. It's a very weak E wave, and we've even broken above the third wave high. So back to the live chart. This is where we are positioned now. I mean, it's important. It would now be that the price is holding, well, ideally above the trend line. But invalidation of this pattern would, well, it's not even invalidation. I mean, we've now fulfilled the wave count, right? The wave count is full now that we have actually broken out to the upside, but I would still prefer a slightly more healthy wave 5 there. Maybe we will target $2. There's no absolute need. I can only tell you, once we see weakness here, it is possible that circle wave 3 is complete, which would on this time frame be this third wave. Yeah, and we could start this fourth wave. So that would mean on the smaller time frame wave count, quite a deep pullback potentially in this fourth wave. But at the moment, we're still working on wave 5 of circle 3. And again, next main resistance at $2. Can we spot any additional resistances here? I don't think so. I mean, the $2 mark, that's the important previous swing high, bull market high of 2021. I mean, breaking above it would be great, right? Because a lot of people have said that XRP is dead because XRP hasn't made a new high in the last bull market. Now, to a degree, well, they haven't done it, right? I mean, it's not, the price hasn't made a new all-time high in the last bull market, but breaking that pattern would be huge, right? That would be, I mean, I don't want to make this too much of a thing, but getting above the last bull market high when a lot of people said XRP is dead, which based on this wave count, it's not, it's just in a sideways range, which is pretty boring. And breaking above this sideways range, yeah, it would be interesting, absolutely. And $2 is that breakout point. Now, if we go to $2.02, I mean, don't panic, right? It's not, don't fall from your chairs. It would be too early. We need a sustained and decisive break. That's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.